share to music and reads, maybe. Comment and subscribe. You're very sexy. You're my crush, baby girl. Thank you. Hello to 120. Please subscribe. Makmak is sleeping ahead of me. I'm sleeping at my back. Makmak is at my back. Kasi hindi pa ko nakita. Wala pa ko nakaukay sa messenger na ko. Nating robot kasi yung things are all about and they can't hold out. Hello ma'am, okay lang po ma'am habang pinanood. Ano ba ito eh? Delete remove kita. Bawal maganyan dito. Bang boss ting. Share live guys, please pray for my application for remonetization later man. Okay. Kasi may ano dito, basta ano mo lang yung ibigay yung pasalubong mo sa akin, layo ng buhol. Pagalitan ka ng asawa mo. Hi to my 126 viewers. Hello and shout out. 54 Mate. Is that hello service? And to my 118 shout. Hello, Mas Gondrom. Hi. Roberto Rivero. Hello. And show everyone show. And oh, what else? This is my receipt on my Premier series that it can like and subscribe. What is streaming by FC? I hope there you will change your attitude after live just you said last time you're going to move on. You know this Saturday, please, if you don't have a gift for me, please, your gift me is for subscribe. I ulitaw ng o sadyang idol dito kang ano ba? Anong na-idol mo? Anong ko anak? So, ulitaw I've been your FC for a long time of follower. Okay, thank you really. Long time, but so sad. I'm so sad because my channel now is not earning anymore because I don't have any ads. The YouTube gets out my ads, so nagli-live na lang ako. So I make live here for my followers to see me that I'm still here. I'm not quitting my channel. I was to fight my channel back again for monetization. Let's skip. Hello to my 136 Skibescan Salon. Hello Jaganjata. You are very cute. Cute. Do you play TikTok? Yeah, I have my TikTok. My TikTok is Naomi Marilyn. I have also dancing on TikTok, even though we are not gracefully dance, but you know, try to dance just for fun. I have my TikTok really. Naomi Marilyn, my TikTok. Just make heart to my TikTok. Really is from? You're from?